Ooh.
Ooh, you heard that?
Yeah.
There it goes. So the hip was out. So I'm gonna bring him this way. Ooh, did you hear it?
Yes, I did, right away.
All right, so we have Tiger here today. Tiger's so cute. And we have the mom and owner, Jasmine, and also we have Luis here today as well. Tell us, for the people that don't know, what is his breed?
So Tiger is a French Bulldog brindle, and he's 10 months.
So what happened? So like about 5 or 6 weeks ago, he fell.
Yes.
And hit his left hip, right?
Yes.
And his left hip was bad.
So first it was the left hind, and then he hurt himself on the right hip.
Right.
So that's what's going on.
Okay. And you brought him to the vet, and they did the x-rays,
Yes.
and they didn't find anything
Nothing broken.
that showed up in the x-rays as fractured or anything
Correct.
alarming or in crisis at that moment.
Right.
And they said it might be a soft tissue like the tendon or the ligament.
Yes.
And then you went home, and then he had another fall 2 weeks ago.
Right.
And got the other side.
Yes.
You know, that's not good.
No.
Do you have any like fun stories about, he's such a cute boy.
Thank you.
Like any fun stories that you could share with him?
Well, he loves to bring gifts. Once we come home after a long day of not seeing us, he'll bring us, like, if we take our shoes off, he'll bring us a shoe. He'll go get a toy. But it's like, hey.
And he presents it to you?
He presents it to you. Like, hey, I'm here, you're back. Yeah, here's your shoe. I missed you.
I picked this out especially for you.
Yes,
right?
I love it.
See, he's very generous.
Yes.
He's a gift giver.
Yes, he's a gentleman.
And he's a gift that keeps giving.
Yes, my baby.
Oh. And he's only 10 months, right?
Yeah.
So he's a young guy. So it's good to check him out. You know, so this breed specifically has a higher incidence of hip dysplasia than some of the other breeds.
Mm-hmm.
Not the number one, but they're up in the top 5 or 6, I think,
Yes.
of all breeds. And one of the things to keep an eye on, she already knows this, she's here today, but people watching, you don't want to let your dog get obese because that puts a lot of pressure on the spine and the hips. So if you have a dog that has a higher chance of maybe having problems in their spine or degenerative joint disease or hip issues, you want to keep the weight off. You also want to keep the toenails clipped all the time. So you never let the toenails get long because that's like walking on high heels. You want the pads of the feet to hit. And then the other thing is don't let them jump from high places, even if they're good at it. Mm-hmm. Like he's probably like an athletic little guy, but you want to curtail that a little bit because it's not worth the risk of injury. Because if he adds up to having 5, 10 injuries by the time he's 6, 7, 8 years old, they can only compound and make some of the degenerative processes worse or more aggravated, or exacerbate what might be underlying in there. All right, so maybe we get started. Is it okay if I work with you? I always like to ask, can I work with you today?
Tiger focus? Tiger focus?
He's thinking about it. What do you think? Is it okay to get started?
It is okay.
All right, good.
And I know he's
so you're
ready.
gonna hold here. He has a sweet quality to him, doesn't he?
That's my boy.
Yeah. So I'm gonna tilt your head up. Neck's a little stiff in this direction. It should come up higher. It doesn't want to come up all the way. I want to see the nose come all the way up. So let's see if we can release that, okay? I'm going to come into the atlas. There it goes. Now watch the difference.
Wow.
Good. So I got that already. So now I'm at the base of the neck. Dogs have 7 bones in their neck. And at the base of the neck, there's a knot right here too. You can feel this one right here. Right in there is a knot. So I'm going to bring them this way. Oh, did you hear it?
Yes, I did, right away.
Yeah, I got it. Just bringing them into lateral flexion, it just cracked. So let's see it now.
Wow.
Wow, do you see the difference? Yeah, so we want that range of motion. I'm going to open this up a little bit to give me a little more space, but you can hold on to that still to give us a little support. So now I'm coming down the back here. And I'm going to just check every little vertebra, looking for ones that might be stuck or fixated or blocked. And here's a little one here, so we're going to, there it goes. Okay. Nice, now it's moving. Do you feel the difference, Tiger, when I do that? I want to share a product that I'm really excited about, and in this case, it's my product. I made this video course recently called How to Massage Your Dog. The website is called howtomassageyourdog.com, and it's still on sale if you check in with it, but it gives you a way to work on your dog from head to toe, whether it's a few minutes a day or outright full body sessions. It's good for that puppy. It's also good for your senior dog. It's a way that you can manage pain and help that dog not suffer as it goes through the different stages of life. I show everything in this video course, from hand techniques through full body massage, everything from a teacup dog to a Great Dane. It's all in one video course. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And there's even a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not completely satisfied. howtomassageyourdog.com. Now, he's a heavy breather, okay? So, and he's probably nervous too. He's, not used to this situation. Oh, did you hear that one? Good, so that one, there it goes. All right, so let's check the legs now. Now I'm gonna have you hold the chest, okay? So you're gonna come under and you're gonna hold him so I can pick up his back legs, okay? And they're even, which is nice. And I'm checking his sacrum here. There it goes. Let me check his little nubby tail. Ooh, did you hear that too?
I did.
I'm going to bring this leg up. So you can put his front legs down. I'm going to bring this leg up. We're going to get into the hip. Checking the little feet, the little ankle, little hock, the little stifle or knee. And then, there it goes. So the hip was out.
It was out.
Yeah. Let's do this. There it goes. Yeah, so his hip was out. And he smacked it. He probably really jarred it.
Ooh.
Ooh, you heard that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you heard it over there? Okay, turn around towards me. And we're going to look at his front shoulders. We're almost done, okay, Boo?
He's doing good.
You're a cute boy. So I'm going to do the front shoulder. You can stand up and come around. Ooh. Yeah, that crack too. So you get every one. Let's take this one too. So you're gonna bring your arm up. No, that one's okay. All right, so this is what I did. I worked on your neck first. I got your range of motion. Then I did came down your back. We found a few things in your lower back and your thoracolumbar junction. And then I looked at your tail, and we did a lot of stuff on your hips today. Then we found your right shoulder was out. You had what's called an anterior humerus. Your left shoulder looked perfect. Okay? All right. You're a good boy. So come back once a year. Maybe you will. So we're going to put him on the ground and let him shake it out. So don't touch him for a minute to give him a chance. See if he wants to shake.
Oh, he's just so grateful.
Yeah, so give him a second. He might shake. And if he doesn't, well, then he doesn't. He's looking for treats right now. He's like, do I get a treat? I just did something great.
I can tell by his posture that.
Yeah. His back is smoother, right?
Yes,
like a little flatter.
it's not
Here's the
dipping.
shake. So that was the shake that we were looking for. Did you see him shake his head?
Yes.
All right, you did good. Now you can connect to mommy. Go talk to mommy.
How do you feel, Papa?
Well, tell me, what was your experience seeing this? Was it okay? Did it scare you? Was it?
So I believe in this medicine.
Yeah.
I have my own
Okay.
chiropractor. My son goes to a chiropractor. We all.
Okay.
I knew you were going to be the guy to do it.
All right, well, thank you so much. You guys are great. I appreciate you coming
Nice
in
meeting you,
today.
man.
Thank you. Nice to meet you both. There it goes. So the hip was out.
It was out.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, you heard that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you heard it over there?